Prosecutors charge City Police van driver Caesar Goodson gave Freddie Gray a rough ride, bounced him around for making a scene after officers arrested him. Opening statements mark the first time prosecutors are using the term to explain how Gray suffered a fatal spinal injury.
So that's something to see how the state ultimately is able to prove that fact.
According to prosecutors, there's CCTV footage of Goodson running through a stop sign, making a right turn so wide and fast the wagon couldn't stay in its lane.
I don't know if that's going to support their position that it was a rough ride.
The defense contends there was no rough ride. Police cuffed Gray's hands behind his back, shackled his feet, and then loaded him into the wagon, the defense says. Police placed Gray in a safe position on the van floor. He got up and banged his head against the wagon. Gray wouldn't have gotten hurt if he had just stayed there. The defense took issue with the autopsy report as well, saying Dr. Carol Allen originally called Gray's injuries a freakish accident, strangely changed to homicide after interaction with the state's attorney.
I think the defense are planting many seeds for the judge with the hope of finding a reasonable doubt of guilt.
Prosecutors called several witnesses in the afternoon. Officer Brian Burke told the judge he handed Goodson the revised general order that required seatbelting all detainees 6 months prior to Gray's injury. Another state witness said it's an officer's duty to seek medical attention when he learns the detainee requests it. The defense contends no one told Goodson Gray wanted a medic, and they dispute the prosecution notion that he and Officer Porter agreed Gray should go to a hospital rather than central booking. The state says Goodson had the knowledge, training, and duty to save Gray's life, but recklessly ignored it and demonstrated depravity and his gross negligence. The defense characterizes Goodson as a gentleman, a nice guy, someone who cares for people. They blasted the city-state's attorney for demonizing this decent man. The defense may call Dante Allen. He rode in the partition van with Gray the day he suffered those injuries. He's expected to say he heard banging inside the wagon in a time frame after prosecutors contend Gray hurt himself. Reporting live from Courthouse East, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.